Hello and welcome to a video on calculating gradients. As you can see here, I have my plane, my Cartesian plane, and I've just drawn a random line through it at some random points. To calculate the gradient, a simple way of doing it is simply gradient is equal to rise over run. So let's pick a point here. So let's say we'll start at this point. What we need to do is we come across in the positive x direction until we get to a point here in the y direction. So going across in the positive x direction, I've gone across 1 unit or 1 point, and then I've gone up 2 in the y direction. So the run is 1 and the rise is 2. So then in this case, 2 over 1, which is equal to 2. So we've calculated here that the gradient is 2. Let's try it a different way. What we can do is we can pick 2 random points. So let's say we pick this point up here. Let's say we pick this point up here. So I've got 2 in the positive x direction, 2 in the positive y direction. So this point will be 2. This point of the graph will be 2 and 2, the coordinate. And then here I've got 3 in the positive x direction and then 4 in the positive y direction. Doesn't matter which you choose to be the first one you use or the second one, is up to you. I'm just going to show you a different formula now. So the gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we can assign these whichever way we like. So let's say, for example, that this is going to be our second, and this will be our first. So the 3 and the 4, it will be our x2 and y2. So let's write that in. So we're going to have 4 and 3. And then this point here, 2 and 2. So our y1 and our x1 will be from this coordinate here. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And that also gives us the same answer for the gradient. Doesn't matter which point on this line you choose. You could have them further away if you wish. You could have them a little bit closer together. And it doesn't matter which way round you do it. I could have made these the x1 and the x2 and the y2, and that the x1 and y1. It doesn't matter which way around, the answer will come out the same. So that's just a quick overview as to how to calculate the gradients of a graph. Very, very simple process, hopefully. You can kind of go along in the x direction to find the run, and then as soon as you know you're going to hit a point on the y, you draw a line up to hit the rise, and then you calculate what the run is, you calculate what the y is, and then so the rise is, and then you basically divide the rise by the run. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe. I shall see you on the next video where we'll look at intercepts and equations, and until then, have a good one.